Yes, I'll be there, Justin. Ooh, Gabby's home. Quickly hide a phone. I had the most amazing day! Just get off first. Okay. Do you want to hear it? You might think you're ready, but are you sure you're ready to hear it? Yes. Okay, I found kittens! Really? Really? Yes! I'm not kidding! I can't believe it! Okay, I better go now. That was awkward. Anyway, where was I? I found kittens. I'd love to keep one, but of course Jamie will say no. It's morning. Why, hello, sweetie. Who's a cute little pussycat? Ooh, you're so soft. Ow! Ow! I hope that was an accident. Ow! Definitely not an accident. Ouch. Bad cat. Ow, ow. My leg. Ow. It really burns. Ow. Bad cat. Ow. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, come in, Gabby. Oh, and why were you limping? Oh, that? Yes. Oh, that. Gabby? Yes? Were you by the cats again? No. And anyway, bye. Yeah, right.